What's up you guys, Nicola here. So recently I made a video about getting stickers for free and making money off of your own stickers. So if you haven't watched that one, be sure to check it out. In that video I talked about the Redbubble platform and a lot of you guys asked me to make a video specifically talking about that platform. So today I'll teach you how to create your design, how to upload it, how to set tags and description to get the most views possible. So be sure to watch the video until the end and of course subscribe and hit that like button, it really helps me out tremendously. So what is Redbubble? Redbubble is a website or a platform where you can upload your design and put it on various different products such as t-shirts, mugs, stickers, and then sell those products to earn money. Platforms like these are called print on demand because they operate in a way that you upload your design and once someone orders it, they do the printing, they ship it, and you get a percentage for your design. I started uploading my designs when I was in high school and every now and then I just put up a new design, but recently I haven't really been posting anything, but I'm still earning money. This is much better than, let's say, YouTube, because there it's better to be as consistent as possible, otherwise the algorithm won't recommend your videos. On Redbubble, this doesn't matter. Redbubble isn't the only print-on-demand platform. There are many of them. I'll show you a few, so stick around till the end, but first I'll show you how Redbubble works and how to get most out of it. So, let's start. Once you create a profile, I suggest you set it up to be as pretty as it can be. Set up a profile picture and a description because this is supposed to catch the eye of the people who visit your profile. If you don't have a picture, it's a huge turn off. To upload your design, go to the top right corner, click on your profile image and click Add New Work. There you'll have two options, to upload new work or to copy an existing work. So click Upload New Work. Now you can choose your image. Now there are a few tricks when filling out these. To find the best title possible, go to the search bar and search for the title you wanted to set. And when you search, it will give you some recommendations. You can use those recommendations to set up your own title, because that's what people search for. Choose a title that people might search for. Try to be more specific. And then we get to the description. Choose a description for the product. And in the description, try to hit as many keywords as possible. When we finish the description, we get to the tags. And the number one most important thing before setting up your tags is to hit that like button. It really helps me out a lot, it's free and it's gonna make you $1 billion. When choosing tags, you can search for them on platforms developed specifically with that purpose. For example, I use Merch Titans. Create a profile there, go to Tools, Redbubble Tag Generator, then input your tag and click Get Tags. Then you can use those tags for your products. Try to choose as many tags as possible. I personally always max them out. The more tags you have, the better the chance that your products will be seen and therefore purchased. After setting tags, you want to center your design perfectly on every single product. The more products you have, the higher chance is that somebody will like one of them. So always enable every product that you can. After all of this, check these boxes and hit Save Work. When you upload your product, you're set to go. And if you want to invest just a little more time, you can always promote your products on Facebook groups and forums. You want to do this with the intention of getting views. The more views you have, the algorithm is more likely to recommend your products. That's basically how you use Redbubble from start to finish. And if you don't want to use Redbubble or think it's too saturated, you can check out some of the other platforms. I tried using Society6 and I personally wasn't so lucky, but I know a lot of people that earn more money there than on Redbubble, so you should really try it yourself. You can also check out Teespring and Zazzle. I personally never earned a single penny there, so I'm not the one to talk. I hope you learned something new and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe and leave a like. It really gets me motivated to make more videos like this in the future. If you are already making passive income or have a plan how to get there, share your experience in the comments down below.